10 for ability. 7.
And your team, thank you. The team, wave. The team, wave. Wonderful. I like one thing that he said. When you enter CM Ability Village, as a person with disability, you will come out and
towel, sponge, oil, rice, curry, beans, sugar, clothing, and those who don't have wheelchairs will be giving wheelchairs to go all for free.
Bien le claro azo, la militi pea de omagwea. O mi ayoga de kadaka mi abajo, cheshio mi abajo, ami, ako molu, ako jale, ako bli, ako gali, ameyo kadashi, kakao melewa, o kakao choga na wako ya pama. Fa, sabaki.
It has cost us a lot of money to bring this here.
But we
are happy we did it. We also have exercise books, plastic cups, plastic plates, pen, pencil, sharpener for children who have need of these things.
Pencil, sharpener, plato, okata woli, kopu yokenya, anga kopu okata woli na sukubio devio, bawako ida sukue.
You can see at the far back there. That we have mattresses, and they are still bringing more mattresses out of the truck. These are for people who don't have proper place to sleep. Some are sleeping on a chacha. Your days of sleeping on a chacha, they are over.
La fima, eli, mropo nyoma le oshio, bavyeto omlona chachajia, miamara hii yoka miamlo chachajia, enya choilai, ekbaya minga chachaji mlono.
There are children who are suffering from cerebral palsy. They weary on themselves anytime they poop on themselves. We have brought a special mattress covered with a special leather, so that when they sleep on it and they weary or they poop on it, it can be clean and the mattress will still be there strong.
Wasusuma pandole le adolam eika woneba wode modwa nudoda baji alo ede angodola baji mie fama mi ado amunao bla ababobo yada yika nanya ba womulaji ayo do nudoleji alo de angodola ji wode mo atuti naraka makbela ababobo yango
for special people.
Yeah, amadoki alo boy akoko malama.
Those of you who are not disabled, and you are the other side, there are some things here for our brothers and sisters that are not there, especially the food items. Those of you there, buckets, soap, clothing, shoes, bags, cutlasses, and things. But these are our brothers. Some of them can't farm. Some of them can't do any work. That is why they have brought food for them. So allow us to give the food to those people who are disabled.
For an occasion like this, Hashtag 10 for ability.
Hashtag awo hana amayo kamshi wanamala bamtatanaro
Is duly lodged.
agba yerieta gram washibala
I'm calling on the following people,
alaba mayo mama ya oyo gafia
distinguished guests,
amayo kamshi bubula
to pull up our 7 banners.
bana okomia pa flagao adoraji.
We have Reverend Apostle Wale Olulana, all the way from the UK.
Alaba miapa osofo aikana to America. Maye amapanto.
We have Reverend Mrs. Martha Mensa
Reverend
from
Mrs.
CEM. We have Reverend Mrs. Ellen Yosef, KICC Ghana, Pastor Femi Masiru, KICC Nigeria. We have Honorable Ellen Intoso, MP for Karachi West. We also have Dr. Kenny, all the way from the United Kingdom. We have Dr. Charles Benning, a businessman,
Dr. Charles Benning,
all the way from Ghana. Ladies and gentlemen, let's put our hands together with a loud applause as we beautiful. Put your hands together once again. Put your hands together. Very beautifully done. Now we call on our brand ambassador, Aiko, to take over from here. Let's give it up for her. Let's give it up for her as she comes.
Especially the women, so that you can sow kaba and slit and wait for Christmas.
Yeah, it's all for donkey, I don't cover. But you don't know, no, I had that banner. I pay a chair. I don't find fire. I do.
These and many other things we have brought for you today. I thank God for my team. Those of us who are wearing this t-shirt, they are my team who have been working on their ability building for all this year. Give it up for my team members. All the school children, we have got exercise books, sharpeners, pencils, notebooks, and so many things for school children. And when we finish, their line will be on this side. Finally, I want to invite a special lady who is coming to launch the 10 for ability.
I know 10 for ability. Hello,
Even though we are talking here, we are speaking to the whole world because what we are doing is being shown all over the world. So we are not talking to you alone. We are talking to our brothers and sisters in UK, US, Germany, France, and Mexico, and many other places. We have for all of them.
Canada, UK, the US, the Mexico, the France, where to go for home and be shack when I
All right. Now we are ready. Keep quiet.
Yeah, I
want to welcome a lady who is a medical student at Yale. A lady who initiated to deal with rabies in dogs that are affecting people. She seeks to educate people on how to.
Good morning. My name is Aiko Adade. And I'm a veterinary medical student at University of Keta-Anloga. As a young lady, I've seen several people with disabilities take to the streets. To seek for alms. And maybe this might have been your situation before, where you've been forced to take to the streets because you don't even know where your next meal is going to come from. But that is why we are here today. To launch the 10 for Ability campaign. Such that anybody at all, whether you are a doctor, a pharmacist, a banker, even a disabled person, a chief, a politician, can give to support people with disabilities to have a better life. This is a multi-million-dollar project, but you don't have to be a millionaire to give. Your 10 CDs, your $10, your 10 yen, your 10 dirham, your 10 pounds can do way more than you think.
Whoa, CD, whoa, dollar, whoa, yen, whoa, sifa, no share, no, gasha, gaila, shiwa, atema, wanane.
And so we are here to launch the 10 for Ability campaign, which is looking for 1 million Ghanaians to give 10 CDs every month for the next 12 months.
Ghana to come and be the shadow of a million the car and the team, but not Jimu the shadow, Jimu for your Kalamiamo, Nana City a war, Jimu the shadow.
We are looking for partners to partner with us to make this project a success.
Me and my Oka Akba Shila Miamu Shila Shima, Panana and Toya me team.
Now I am a partner, but I want to ask if you are a partner as well.
And America Akba Shila Domua, Ayamania, Ayatama, how Biaga would hear, no ha, Nanya, Ashipala Toya.
If you can vote for me to win a national pageant, you can also donate 10 Ghana cedis to help a person with disability have a better chance of life and be economically viable.
the one to the car, the shadow, like we are very bona. But me, I call Aja Toyama.
So I'd like to urge us all that when the time is ripe, please take out your phones and dial *800 *404# to give your first donation to the CEM Ability Village.
Mikata miada miaba mobile phone ola miaba kotokuma mia atashira nomba yaji *800 alafane #.
Like I said, your 10
alafane *800 404#.
Like I said, your 10 CDs can do more than you think.
Abale kama bolomea wasidi awoa atemo awonu shiano.
And I would like to start off by donating the first 10 CDs to the 10 for Ability campaign for the CEM Ability Village.
Aye, majiwa maja akoma. Banyanto mana CD awo anana 10 for Ability Village ya ado awo anana mutatapa kopa ya miaja akoma.
Thank you very much.
Akbana mikata.
The first one is talking about our hashtag, which is 10 for Ability. Your 10 CDs, your $10, your £10 can do more than you think. Now let's move to the second one. We would like you to get involved with our partnership. If you would like to raise money for us or volunteer with us or organize an event to help us raise money for this initiative, kindly become a partner. Thank you. Now let's move to the third one. The CEM Ability Village hopes to move persons with disabilities from independence to dignity. We want to make them economically viable and demarginalize them in our society. Now let's move to the next one, which is talking about one of our main goals, to move them from the streets to decent homes. Persons with disabilities need to live in dignified environments. Your 10 CDs can do more than you think to help us achieve this vision. Our next pull-up is talking about providing vocational skills and training for persons with disabilities in Ghana. Everybody needs a hard skill that is economically viable, not just today, but for the future. And your 10 CDs can do more than you think to help us provide these people with the right skills that they need. Our next pull-up is talking about providing your 10 for Ability can provide persons with disabilities with the prosthetics and the specialized healthcare that they need to take their places in society.
Alaba ositi ama wo ikanana atema weba ama yo kamshi mtatamalo opa ama gojo arojedo mtatana no shiba o atema no nyi boko asore ngwa anoro bishila mepa dukayam.
I would like to end by saying I am a partner. Are you? Thank you.
Reverend Dr. Stilmesa,
This is 10 for ability.
10 for ability.
Double 10 for ability.
10 for ability.
10 for ability. 10 for ability. 10 for ability. 10 for ability. 10 or more for ability. 10 or more dollars for ability. 10 for ability. 10 for ability.
10 for ability.